Avoid writing I in most academic writing. In academic writing, sentences which refer to you, the writer, in the first person, I, are not acceptable to many academics. Instead of writing I, it is generally safer to use an alternative structure. One place where many students use the first person is towards the end of the introduction, when they are outlining the structure of their paper. So, for example, students might write, I have divided this paper into 6 sections. In the first section, alternatives to this might be, this paper is divided into 6 sections. The first section, or the essay develops as follows. Firstly, another point at which it might seem natural to use I is when you describe the steps you took in your research. So, students might write, I designed a questionnaire in order to gain an overview of. Alternatives to this might be, it was decided that a questionnaire would be designed in order to gain an overview of. Or, a questionnaire was designed in order to gain an overview of. A further occasion when you might be tempted to use I is when drawing conclusions or weighing up evidence. So, students might write, I have concluded that there are. Alternatives to this might be, one conclusion might be that there are, or another, a conclusion that can be drawn is that there are. One important exception to this advice is in reflective writing. In this type of writing, the focus is on you and your own development. Since you're talking about yourself, you should use I.